Hello. In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Cubot Note 50. So you have to start by opening your Google app, then click on your avatar, and then click on Settings. Now click on Google Assistant, and then click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here on Hey Google, then click on More and I agree, next, more, and I agree. Now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click on Next, More, I agree. Then click Back and click on Lock Screen. And make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.